Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn off post view history on TikTok. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my TikTok application. Once we have opened our TikTok, we can go to the TikTok profile. I'm going to click on my profile and we're going to go to the TikTok settings and privacy. Click on these three lines on the top right and then select settings and privacy. And after that, we're going to go to the privacy. Okay, in this privacy, you need to scroll down until you find the post views. Okay, and here you'll be able to turn off your post view history. And I'm just going to click on this toggle button to turn it off. Okay, now the post view history is turned off. Alright guys, and that's all the way to turn off post view history on TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.